What's up, my fellow actors? In today's video, I will be sharing with you the 3 steps on how to get started as an actor. Let's get started. Okay, so the first step is to take acting classes. Yes, acting classes are very important, okay? Because without it, you can't act, unless you're Tom Cruise. There are many ways you can take acting classes. You can go to a local acting studio, or you can take Zoom classes, which a lot of acting coaches are now offering. So go ahead and check that out. Okay, so the second step is to get headshots. Now, headshots are very important for an actor. They're basically your business card. A headshot is an 8x10 head to shoulder of you looking your best. You'll need headshots when you submit for audition and also when you attend auditions. Okay, so step number 3 is to submit to student films. Yes, this is very important for a new actor, okay? You're gonna want to do lots and lots of student films, okay? This is where you gain experience, learn from your mistakes. Student films are a great way for a new actor to start building a resume and get footage for a demo reel in order for you to start booking bigger and better things, okay? So don't worry about money. As long as you're getting fed and getting that footage, it's a good day. If you're looking to submit for auditions, there are 2 great websites that I recommend. One is Actors Access and the other is Backstage. I will put links down below for you to check out. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions or video suggestions, please put them in the comment below and I will get to it.